Good morning, students. Last class we have discussed properties of amines and also we have discussed methods of preparation and then IUPAC nomenclature, everything we have completed. Now we will discuss basic nature of amines. Write down basicity topic we will discuss today. So already I have told you one point, amines acts as Lewis base. Why amines acts as Lewis base? Because they have lone pair of electrons over nitrogen atom. So key point for solving basicity questions in this chapter is maximum available electron density, maximum available electron density over donor atom. Maximum available electron density over donor atom, there stronger is that base, stronger is that base. Means what? Suppose nitrogen there. In amines, nitrogen have lone pair. If electron donating group attached to nitrogen, what electron donating group will do? It will send electrons towards nitrogen. Means what happens? Electron density over nitrogen more increases. When electron density increases, what it can do? It can share that electrons to other species. Means availability of electrons increased means its basic character increased. If electron withdrawing group attached, what happens? This electron withdrawing group abstract electron density towards itself, by which effects it will abstract minus m minus I. Here electron donation can be done through plus m plus I, hyperconjugation, all this will donate electron density to nitrogen. They increase basicity. These effects will decrease basicity. Okay. Suppose the reference hydrogen generally will be taken. So here no donating group, no withdrawing group. Since it do not have withdrawing group, it have more basicity than this type of examples. So if I asked you to arrange this decreasing order of their basicity, how will you arrange them? Like this. So those compounds which have donating group have more basicity than which do not have. Then if any compound have electron withdrawing group, they have less basicity than normal compounds. Okay, like that you can arrange. For example, if I take generally basicity means Lewis base. Lewis base definition what? Electron pair donor. Lewis bases, nitrogen, amines. Why? They can donate electrons. Now example, suppose CH3 NH2, then here NO2 CH2 NH2, here hydrogen NH2, means this is ammonia. Now among these compounds, which is more basic? Apply this point. So here methyl group there, methyl group act as a donating group through plus I effect here. Here NO2, here oxygen write down, NO2 group act as a withdrawing group through minus I effect. Okay. So it will decrease electron density over nitrogen. These electron density move towards nitrogen. So electron density not available for donation. So this is weak base, this is strong base, this is in between. It have neither donating group nor withdrawing group. Withdrawing group harmful. So no harmful group there. Okay. Relatively compared to that, this is more basic. Okay. In this way I can arrange. Next. Next example. So from that example, what you have learnt? Ammonia less basic than amines. Less basic than amines. This one also sometimes he is asking in group exam. Less basic means whether that is primary, secondary, tertiary. Why ammonia is less basic than amines? Because in ammonia no donating group, whereas in any amine if you take any primary, secondary, tertiary amine, there is donating groups. Alkyl groups act as donating groups, so they have more basicity than ammonia. Okay. Next point, aliphatic amines. Aliphatic, you can identify. Suppose RNH2, RNH, R3N means. Can you observe now? Alkyl groups there, they act as donating groups, they will increase electron density over nitrogen. So they are more basic than ammonia. That point I am telling you. Now aliphatic amines are more basic than aromatic amines. Aliphatic amines are more basic than aromatic amines. Examples. For example, if I take CH3NH2, methane amine, aniline. So in exam he will ask you which is more basic. Which is more basic? Key point for solving all problems related to basicity is maximum available electron density over nitrogen atom, and donating group increases basicity, withdrawing group decreases basicity. That points only will solve all questions. So methyl group here, donating group plus I. Here benzene ring, what it will do? It will take electrons present over fetch or withdraw electrons present over nitrogen, okay, through minus M effect. So benzene ring acting as minus M, electron withdrawing group means decreasing basicity through resonance. So among these, which is more basic? Methane amine. This is aliphatic amine, that is aromatic amine. That's why aliphatic amines are more basic than aromatic amines. Okay, like that. This is also one good question generally asked in HSC and also NEET also. Write down. Next. Next one is, suppose if you take NH2 NH now among these, tell me which is more basic. Arrange the following compounds in decreasing order of their basicity. Don't get frightened by watching big structures. Simple concept, what? Greater the electron withdrawing, lower will be the basicity. So you can note down that points. Electron donating groups there. Electron donating groups there in compound, basicity increases. Means Kb increases, pKb decreases. Electron withdrawing group there, basicity decreases, Kb decreases, pKb increases. pKb increases. pKb basicity inversely proportional, Kb basicity directly proportional. Note down this point. This point important. Now here how many electron withdrawing groups there? 3. How they can withdraw electrons? Tell me. This lone pair is in resonance this side and this side also, that side. 3 benzene rings withdrawing electron density present over nitrogen through resonance. Here 2 electron withdrawing groups, here only 1. Greater the number of electron withdrawing groups, lower will be the least will be the basicity. So which is least basic among these? C. So if I ask you to arrange in decreasing order A greater than B greater than C. This question answer. Write down. Next question. Copy it. Next question is, suppose CH3 C double bond NH2 given. He will ask you question, which nitrogen is more basic among these? 1, 2. How will you do this sum? Tell me. Based on mesomeric effect. Here lone pair is moving towards that nitrogen. Means what happened? Electron density is increasing over this nitrogen than here. This nitrogen lone pair is not available for donation to any other species. Means for example, if proton, he will ask in indirectly like this also. Question is, which nitrogen atom reacts faster with proton? Like this also you can frame question. Which nitrogen atom react with faster with proton, means H plus. So answer what? Now I am not giving okay, options also I will give. 2 second nitrogen, first nitrogen, both equal. Okay, none of the above. So what will you write answer? Answer is 2 react faster. Why 2 reacts faster? Because here more electron density is sent by nitrogen due to this plus M effect. Lone pair moving towards nitrogen. So this lone pair readily attacks that proton. Here nitrogen electron density decreased. This proton don't like to attack over here. Indirectly basicity he is asking. Basicity order what? 2 is greater than 1. Write down. Next. Copy it. Next one is NH2 C double bond NH2, then CH3 C double bond NH, this side NH2, then here CH3 CH2 NH2, then aniline, then R C double bond O NH2, then here R S double bond O NH2, sulfonamide this. Okay, all this A, B, C, D, E, F. He will ask a question, among the following, which arrange the following compounds in decreasing order of their basicity. So how will you do this sum? Observe here, amines sending electron density towards this nitrogen. So what is happening here? Electron density increased. Here both acting as plus M groups, just like before example. Before example 1 group there, now 2 groups there. So he will ask you question, arrange the following compounds in decreasing order of their basicity, or one more way to ask is arrange the following compounds in decreasing order of their rate or reaction with proton or acid. Okay, this base na acid, they generally base reacts with acid, form salt. So which reacts faster with acid? In this way he will frame questions. So here electron density more available because of the plus M effect of these 2 groups. Now that compound observe, methyl group act as plus I group. This side lone pair giving by plus M effect. So plus I there, plus M effect there. Here only plus I. Okay. Now among these 3 compounds, which is strong, greater the strength of donation, greater will be the basicity. Plus M strong effect than plus I. Here both sides plus M, here one side plus I, one side plus M. So among A and B, A is more basic than B, than C. A, B, C. Here plus M there, here only plus I there. Now already I thought aliphatic amines are more basic than aromatic. Why? Resonance. Here resonance there. Resonance, electron withdrawing resonance this lone pair is moving towards this benzene ring. Now among D, E, F, which is strong base? Here also lone pair moved towards carbonyl group through minus M effect. Here also minus M. Here also sulfonyl group. Both sides possible. This lone pair can move this side also. This lone pair can move this side, and this oxygen can acquire negative charge, or that oxygen acquire negative charge. So among D, E, F, where here also minus M more prominent, here also minus M there. Benzene ring also acting as minus M. Electron withdrawing group is inversely proportional to basicity. Electron donating group directly proportional to basicity. So here electron withdrawing group very strong, so least basic. Here electron withdrawing group relatively weak compared to the two compounds. So if we compare with that compound, this is more basic. So I can write D. Among E and F, this is more stronger than this one. So relatively this one more basic than that one. So E, then F. Like this question may come. Write down. Or maybe some 2 or 3 can be used to give question. Write down. Copy it. Like that, I can give you some more examples. Copy them. Examples are basicity. Write down. Suppose if question given, we will ask, suppose if I give, arrange the following nitrogen atoms in decreasing order of their basicity, or faster reaction with the acid. Which is more basic? Tell me. 1 greater than 2. How did I solve? Tell me. How did I solve? Lone pair is in resonance with this double bond. Why? A double bond B, C lone pair. So this lone pair moving towards there, that lone pair moving there, means electron density increased here, electron density decreased here. 1 greater than 2. This is one question. Next question. Next question is CH3 NH C double bond NH NH2. Now tell me, suppose if I give question 1, 2, 3, tell me which is more basic. How did you identify? Identify effects. This nitrogen plus I effect there, but this nitrogen sending electron density to this nitrogen with the help of plus M effect. From this side also electron density moving towards nitrogen, means among 3 nitrogen, which is more basic nitrogen? Second nitrogen. So second one. Then among 1 and 3, 1 is more basic. Why? Here plus I group attached, here no plus I group attached. So 2, 1, 3. Next question. Next question is, in this type of question can give in cyclic structure also. Suppose NCH3 double bond NH like this also you can give question. Suppose A, B, C. Tell me which is more basic nitrogen. Here lone pair is involved in resonance. Here also this lone pair also involved in resonance, means B more basic. This side plus I there. For this also plus I this side there. But nitrogen attached this side with hydrogen, but this side methyl group, donating group attached. So among A and C, which is more basic? A more basic than C. So B, A, C. Next example. Next example, write down. Next example is, suppose if we give question NH double bond NH 2 3 bonds, then wait 1 minute, NH2 double bond N like this asked. Okay, now here lone pair there, 1 2 3. Arrange the following compounds in donor atom in decreasing order of their basicity. How will you arrange? Tell me. A double bond B C, A double bond B C lone pair. So this lone pair migrates towards this nitrogen. So here only plus I there. Here this nitrogen is causing plus M to this nitrogen. So among 3 nitrogens, which is more basic? 1, because that amino group through nitrogen sending electron density to this nitrogen through plus M effect. Then 3 and 2, which is more basic? Obviously this. Why? Here electron density is less available. Why? That electron density is transferred towards this nitrogen. So answer is 1 3 2. Okay, next question. Next question, write down. Next question is CH3 C double bond NH nitrogen lone pair. Here also CH3 there. Here hydrogen there. Now among 1 2, he will ask question which is more basic. So 2 is more basic than 1. Same concept. Lone pair sent towards that nitrogen. That's why 2 is more basic than 1. Next question, write down. Now tell me, here normal ring given, normal aliphatic structure given, here cyclic ring given, here lone pair there. Now A double bond B C lone pair. So lone pair move towards that nitrogen. Suppose question asked is 1 2, which is more basic? 1 more basic than 2. Next, write down. Next question is aliphatic amine, aromatic amine, which is more basic? Already solved na this. Any aliphatic amine take, that is more basic than aromatic amines. Next, CH3 NH2 Cl CH2 NH2, which is more basic? Can you identify? Here donating group there, here withdrawing group there. So CH3NH2 is more basic than chloromethane amine. Next question. Now tell me which is more basic? Here effect observe first. Chlorine cause which effect? Tell me. Minus I. Here also minus I. Here also minus I. Inductive effect is a distance dependent effect. Here which inductive effect operating? Electron withdrawing inductive effect operating. Electron withdrawing inductive effect harmful to basicity. So more closer the electron withdrawing inductive effect to donor atom, lower will be the basicity. That point you need to keep in mind. So that such type of important points while listening class, note down in notes. Okay, that can solve all questions in our workbook. So while listening, you need to write notes. So here very closer to donor atom. Very closer to donor atom means less basic. So among A, B, C, which is least basic? C. Then B, then A. Why A is more basic? Here chlorine is long distance to donor atom, less attracting, weakly attracting electrons present over nitrogen atom. There strongly attracting electron density present over nitrogen atom, means donor atom. Here why? Lower distance. Okay, like that. Next, write down all this. Next question. Suppose if I give you CH3N CH3H lone pair. Here CH3NH2, which is more basic? Answer is here 2 plus I effect causing groups there. Here 1 plus I effect causing group. So that secondary amine is more basic than tertiary amine. In general, if you take R tertiary amine, secondary amine, primary amine, in basic in gaseous phase, if you take, since it have more donating groups, it should be more basic. So order is tertiary greater than secondary greater than primary. But in exam, he is not giving more questions or gaseous phase. He is giving questions in strength of basicity in aqueous solutions. He is asking basicity in aqueous solutions. He is asking. So write down strength of base. Strength of amines, otherwise more proper, strength of basicity of amines in aqueous solution. That order will be secondary amines more basic than tertiary amines than primary amines. Till now, what we have done discussion, greater is the availability of electron, greater is the presence of donating groups, increases basicity, means electron donating groups, their basicity increased. In gaseous phase, that point applied. Why? Here 3 donating groups there, that's why automatically that is more basic than secondary, primary. But in aqueous solution, what is happening? That order is not obeying. Secondary amine is more basic than tertiary amine than primary amine. Trick to remember this point is, this is secondary, tertiary, primary. Trick is STP. First year mole concept you have studied in standard temperature and pressure, STP. So that STP you remember, secondary, tertiary, primary amines. Now why this type of exception coming, we will discuss now. Generally in exam, if he don't mention anything about phase means what? Gaseous or aqueous solution. You need automatically to take aqueous solution. Suppose question given, arrange the following aliphatic amines in decreasing order of their basicity. Nothing told about phase, whether that is gaseous phase or aqueous phase. You need to take that as a aqueous phase. Okay, that point important. Suppose he himself, examiner gives gaseous phase, means you need to arrange them tertiary, secondary, primary. Nothing told about that means you automatically you should take aqueous phase, aqueous solution like that. So secondary greater than, tertiary greater than primary. Now we will discuss reasons. This is strictly applied to aliphatic amines. Aromatic amines we don't apply this concept, that later we will study after completing aliphatic amines. So in aliphatic amines aqueous solution follow STP, gaseous phase follows tertiary greater than, secondary greater than primary. Now why? Suppose if you take tertiary amine if you take, when you add acid means HCl, H2SO4, any one acid, they can give proton. This lone pair attacks over that acid, it will give, what will come? Base. When accepts proton, it converts into conjugate acid. What is this theory? Lowry-Bronsted concept says base accepts proton, gives conjugate acid. Suppose HCl there, acid after losing proton changes into conjugate base. Suppose ammonia there, this is base, after accepting proton it converts into conjugate acid, here conjugate base. Same concept I am applying there. So base giving conjugate acid. Next, like that I can do for secondary and tertiary amines also na. Write down. Suppose if I write R, N, R, lone pair, hydrogen, H plus, here also R, N, H2, here lone pair, this is hydrogen, H plus. So here R, N, H, here R positive, here also R, N, H positive. Now in aqueous solution, what happens is, after addition of proton, here positive, nitrogen is more electronegative, that's why delta minus, hydrogen delta positive. Water molecule also have dipole, delta plus, delta minus. I can write that water molecule as a like this, delta minus, delta plus. So what happens? So there will be the possibility of hydrogen bonding between oxygen and this hydrogen. So I can write here, there is hydrogen bonding between water molecules and hydrogen present over nitrogen, that is called hydration. Here what is happening? Hydration. When water molecules involved we call hydration. In general we call solvation. Okay, both the terms give same meaning, hydration, solvation. Now in aqueous solution, these here how many hydrogens there? 2 hydrogens there, 2 hydrogen bonding possible. Or in the indirectly I can say 2 solvation. Here how many solvation? 1 water molecule participate in hydrogen bonding means 1 solvation. Here 2 hydrogens participating in hydrogen bonding, 2 solvation. So here there is hydrogen bonding. Here also there is hydrogen bonding. Here how many hydrogens there? 3. So I can write 3 hydrogen bonds with 3 hydrogens present over primary amine. So delta minus. Here also hydrogen bonding possible. Here also hydrogen bonding possible. So Here how many solvation, tell me? Here 1. Here solvation. Solvation means with respect to hydrogen bonding formed by water molecules with nitrogen. Here how many solvation? 3. Solvation 3. Here how many inductive effect causing groups there? Plus I is caused by, here I am writing, plus I is caused by one group. Here how many groups causing plus I? 2 alkyl groups. 2 alkyl groups there na? So plus I effect is caused by 2 alkyl groups. Here how many groups? 3 groups causing plus I effect. Where should I write? Plus I caused by 3 groups. This is with respect to this. Okay, solvation 1 plus I 3. Now once again repeating what I have done till now. Tertiary amine taken, I have added acid, means proton added means it is changed into tertiary amine changed into conjugate acid. Here secondary amine taken, added proton, secondary amine base, it changed into conjugate acid, that one also changed into conjugate acid. Then generally we will do this process in aqueous solutions. So water surround this conjugate acid. Water will surround this conjugate acid. Here one water molecule forming hydrogen bond with proton hydrogen of conjugate acid. Here 2 water molecules forming hydrogen bonding with hydrogens of this conjugate acid. There 3 water molecules forming hydrogen bonding with hydrogens of conjugate acid formed by primary amine. Here conjugate acid formed by secondary amine. Here conjugate acid formed by tertiary amine. Important point is, greater the extent of solvation, greater will be the stability of that conjugate acid. Okay? Greater is the extent of solvation, greater will be the stability of that conjugate acid. Means where more solvation happening, in primary amine more solvation there compared to tertiary amine. Here only one solvation. Why here solvation less? Because only one hydrogen there. And one more reason, solvation here less because alkyl groups cause steric hindrance to solvation. Even this hydrogen bond also difficult to form, slowly forms. Why? Because these alkyl groups cause steric hindrance to this process. Which process? Hydrogen bond between hydrogen and water. Okay? Whereas here steric hindrance not there. That point important. So steric hindrance is causing a decrease in solvation. Means this conjugate acid is weak than primary one. Like that, with respect to solvation I can discuss. Now inductive effect also one important factor. Now why? Because amines basicity mainly depends on donating nature of groups. Here alkyl groups are donating groups. Here 3 electron donating groups there, whereas in primary amines only 1 electron donating group there. So here 2 donating groups there, 2 solvation there. Actually with respect to electron donating group, which should be more basic? Tertiary amine should be more basic. But here what is happening is experimentally due to less solvation. Why here less solvation? Only one hydrogen available, only one hydrogen bond formed. One more reason is steric hindrance weakens solvation. Steric hindrance is weakening effect to solvation. Due to steric hindrance of the alkyl groups and lower solvation, tertiary amine becomes experimentally less basic than secondary amine. Here what is happening is, here 2 alkyl groups there. So there is plenty of donation of electrons, and also solvation is also happening with the help of water molecules. So here solvation plus I of alkyl groups both supporting factors for increase of basicity. Both supporting factors for basicity, that's why here basicity of secondary amines phenomenally or abnormally rising than tertiary amines. Actually which need to be basic? More, this one more basic, but this becomes less basic than secondary amine because here extent of solvation less, key point, extent of solvation less and steric hindrance there to solvation. But among tertiary and primary amines if we compare, here very less inductive effect. Here there are 3 alkyl groups. So here alkyl groups he is taking into account for explaining. In all books he is explaining with the help of inductive effect. Here lower inductive effect, in tertiary amines more inductive effect. Okay. So though more solvation there, here less solvation there, still it is more basic than primary amine because he is taking into account. Any book you take, standard books, scientists are taking into account plus I effect while explaining tertiary and primary. So here more plus I, more basic than primary amines. Whereas in tertiary and secondary, he is explaining with the help of solvation and plus I effect. Here both factors, supporting factors there, that's why its basicity increased greater than tertiary amine. Here which is opposing factor, solvation less. Here solvation also moderate, inductive effect also more. Okay, compared to here less, but relatively inductive effect 2 groups there na, 2 solvation there. So this is more basic. Like this we can explain. Okay, write down. So in exam if you ask question, why secondary amines more basic than tertiary and primary amines? In aqueous solution, answer what? In secondary amines, extent of solvation and inductive effect both support together and increase basicity. Whereas in tertiary amines, steric hindrance weakens base solvation. Due to that, what happens? Due to that, slightly basicity decreases compared to secondary amines. So if you want to write down notes point wise, I will tell, write down. So write down. When a base accepts a proton, it forms conjugate acid. Okay, when base accepts a proton, it forms conjugate acid. Formed na, amines after accepting proton, conjugate acid formed. When a base accepts a proton, it forms conjugate acid, which is stabilized by solvent. Solvent means here what? Water, which is stabilized by solvent. This stabilization is called solvation. Write down, this stabilization is called solvation. Next point, steric hindrance to solvation is base weakening effect. Steric hindrance to solvation is base weakening effect. Now in solution phase or indirectly you write down like this. In aqueous solution, in case of secondary aliphatic amine, solvation and inductive effect compensate or support together in such a way that basicity is increased greater than tertiary and primary amines. Whereas in tertiary amine, steric hindrance dominate solvation and inductive effect. So slightly its basicity is lower than secondary amines. Okay, like that you can write. For example, if I take triethylamine, ET means what? ET means ethyl group. Triethylamine, secondary amine, primary amine. Which is more basic, tell me? Triethylamine, tertiary. This is secondary, this is primary. Nothing he had mentioned about gaseous or aqueous solutions. Means what you should take? Aqueous solution only. So secondary more basic than tertiary than primary. Okay, then exceptions. Exception is if methyl groups alone there, or nitrogen, if methyl groups alone there, so which is more basic? Secondary, here tertiary, secondary, primary. Here exception, this you need to remember. Experimentally it is found that secondary more basic than primary than tertiary. SPT. Only methyl groups take into account. Methyl groups alone there over nitrogen means that order. This exception also giving in exam. All these are in aqueous solutions. Now, suppose if I take example, tell me answer. Arrange the following compounds in decreasing order of their basicity. How will you arrange them? Some students are confused by seeing this methyl group, because exception before only thought na, they will apply that concept here. No, you should not apply that. Why? I have said to you, nitrogen should carry all methyl groups. In all compounds, nitrogen carrying alone methyl groups only, that exception applied. Here such a situation not there. Though nitrogen carrying methyl group, this other side ring there, so this is not comes under that methyl groups example. This general example, what? Aqueous solution order, what? STP. Observe STP. Here nitrogen attached to 3 groups, tertiary, here secondary, here primary. So if an exam A, B, C given, answer what? B greater than A greater than C. Why? Secondary, tertiary, primary, like that. Next example. Suppose in exam if we give question, like this, this is 1, 2, 3. He had asked you to arrange them decreasing order of their basicity. How will you arrange? Aliphatic or not? Yes. This is secondary, tertiary, this is primary. So among these, which is more basic? Secondary more basic than secondary means third one. Then or otherwise you confuse 2 degree, 3 degree you are getting confused. I will give A, B, C. And now tell me which is more basic? B, then C, then A. Why? Secondary, tertiary, primary. STP. Okay. Next example. Suppose both secondary given in exam. Both secondary given in exam. How will you solve this question? You cannot solve through that order. Why? Both secondary now. You should solve this question with the help of steric hindrance. Where steric hindrance more observe. This nitrogen attached to two alkyl groups. Okay? So these two alkyl groups. Here hydrogen there. Here hydrogen there. Two alkyl groups will hide lone pair. When two alkyl groups hiding lone pair, they are not available for donation to the acid. Here ring is restricted only one side, this ring. Other side free or open for donation. So this lone pair is more available for donation than this lone pair. In exam you don't draw diagram all that. For your memory I am writing like that, making you to remember that. If you watch them here, it is looking like this lone pair available for donation, but in practical life that lone pair is hidden by alkyl groups through steric hindrance. So that lone pair is not available for donation compared to here. Okay. So among these two, more basic that compound. So you can write when degree of amine is same. You can write degree of amine same means what? Both secondary. Cyclic is more basic than acyclic. When degree of amine same, cyclic is more basic than acyclic. That only here cyclic ring. This is acyclic. Next, one more question like this. Like that, if I write one more question, suppose nitrogen, here lone pair there, tertiary amine that. Suppose if I give question, here lone pair there, he will ask you in exam which is more basic. Tell me, that compound is more basic because this is more available. In exam he is asking question like this also, arrange the following compounds in decreasing order of their basicity towards reaction with acid. Decreasing order of their reaction with acid. Why this is less basic? Because these are alkyl groups. 3 alkyl groups hiding lone pair. So H plus cannot attack nitrogen. So among these two, that compound is more basic than this one. Next, write down. Next example is, suppose if you take CH2 double bond CH2 minus, then CH3 CH2 CH2 minus. Now among these two, which is more basic? Among these two, which is more basic? Tell me. Donating atom unit, these are nitrogen compounds, not. What basicity important point? Maximum available electron density for donating atom. Observe which is maximum available electron density having, this is plus I. Okay, here this is minus I, and electron density is taken off by resonance also. Minus I because of sp2 carbon. Resonance taking electron density present over this carbon. So this is weak basic than that compound. Next example. Suppose in exam if you give question, these all questions given in exams. Anyway, exam, this type of questions he is asking. Now, tell me which is more basic. Here, this group is causing minus M or withdrawing. Here also minus M. Here this group causing minus M, like here. Okay. Resonance means I can write minus M. Here also benzene ring taking electron density through minus M or resonance, minus R, we can write minus R resonance. But which is a strong minus M among these two groups? Benzene ring minus M is stronger than the CH2 double bond CH. Electron withdrawing group stronger means basicity decreases. So among these, which is strong base? This one than this one. Now among these two, which is more basic? Obviously this one. Why? Here plus I group there, here minus M withdrawing group there. So order this one. Next, write down. Now stable anion is, one more example. CH3C, CH3O minus, CH3CHO minus, CH3CH2O minus. Okay, which is more basic among these three? Question. You can observe here 3 plus I groups, increasing electron density over oxygen. Here 2 plus I groups, here only 1 plus I group. So which is more basic? This anion is more basic than last one. This we have studied in alcohols also. Suppose this compound formed from this alcohol. Which is strong acid? Tell me among this primary alcohol. This one is strong acid, forms weak base. Like that we have studied na? Strong acid forms weak base. Weak acid forms strong base. We have studied already. And also with the help of plus I effect also I can explain there. Next. Next, write down. Key point is stable anion forms weak base. Stable anion forms weak base. So stability of anion, next point, stability of anion depends on electronegativity of negative charge carrying atom. Electronegativity of negative charge carrying atom means electronegativity increases. Electronegativity of negative charge carrying atom. Stability increases. Basicity decreases. Basicity decreases. Write down. Stability of anion. What happens? Increases. Basicity decreases. Means stability of anion is inversely proportional to basicity. You can write that relation also. Stability of anion inversely proportional to basicity. So related to that, one question write down. CH3 minus, NH2 minus, OH minus, F minus. Which is stable anion? Tell me among this. Stability of anion depends on electronegativity of negative charge carrying atom. Which is negative charge carrying atoms here? Carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. Fluorine strong electronegative element, most electronegative element in periodic table. Means it can hold that negative charge strongly. So it is stable anion. Stable anion means weak base. So you can arrange basicity like this. This order is with respect to basicity. Stability of anion asked. What is the order I can write? Reverse order I need to write. Suppose acidity asked. Acidity question I have solved, again solving actually. NH3, water, HF. Which is strong acid among this? HF. Why? Because stable anion is formed by strong acid. That point I have covered in SDT topic. Stable anion is formed by strong acid. So stabler the anion formed, stronger will be the acid, or otherwise more alternative atom fluorine easily can remove that proton. Already thought, no need to explain here. So stable anion means that is weak base. Write down. Now if I one more point, size of atom carrying negative charge. Size of atom carrying negative charge increases stability of anion increases. This sentence rule applied in groups, last rule applied in period. Write down that also, that point also you note down, that last rule applied in period, here it is applied in groups. Example, stability of anion increases means basicity what happens? Decreases na stability of anion, basicity inversely proportional. Suppose if you take OH minus SH minus, he will ask you question which is more basic. OH minus is more basic than SH minus. Why? SH minus is more stable anion than OH minus. Otherwise, easy way to remember is H2O, H2S, which is a strong acid. H2S is strong acid. Why? Sulfur size more. Sulfur size is more compared to oxygen. When size more, bond length increases, bond energy decreases, you can break easily bond. H plus easily comes out into solution. So among these two, which is strong acid? H2S is strong acid. Strong acid forms weak base. HS minus is weak base, or SH minus means what? Negative charge is carried over sulfur. Weak acid forms strong base, OH minus. Like that also you can remember easily. If that point unable to remember means, you can remember with the help of this. Generally in this actually comes in inorganic chemistry. H2S, H2SE, H2 tellurium. He will ask you arrange the following compounds in increasing order of their acidity. Means down the group acidity increases. Acidity increases means this is strong acid. Forms a weak base after losing one proton, means TeH minus. Here SeH minus. Here SH minus. Here OH minus. Weak acid, strong base. So acidity increasing in this, whereas in this ions basicity decreasing, because this is stable anion forming weaker base. Like that you can explain. Okay, write down. Same like this you can apply in 17th group also. Suppose HF, HCl, HBr, HI. Which is strong acid among this? Already explained na? Why this is strong acid HI? Size, with respect to size. So here strong acid forms weak base. Weak acid with respect to group I am telling you. You don't apply period rule. Period means this. Among these, HF is strong acid. Here explained with the help of electronegativity. Here with the help of size. F minus, weak acid forms strong base. Okay. So down the group, F minus to I minus, basicity decreases. means F minus, Cl minus, Br minus, I minus. Which is strong base? Kb value, order that. Okay. Now stability of anion order what? Stability of anion order what? I minus, stronger anion, stable anion than Br minus than Cl minus than F minus. Lower pKb value, which one have? Lower pKb value F minus have. Lower pKb means more basicity. Higher pKb value I minus. Suppose arrange the following compounds. Following compounds in decreasing order of their pKb value. Like this also he will ask in question. Arrange the following compounds in decreasing order of their pKb value. So how can you arrange? Highest pKb is shown by I minus. Larger pKb means lower basicity, less basic. Br minus, Cl minus, F minus. This order what? pKb value decreasing order. pKb is inversely proportional to basicity. Okay, this type of questions he is asking in exam. Write down. Next. Next question is CH3, CH2, NH2 and then CH3, CH double bond NH, then CH3, C triple bond N. He will ask you question, arrange the following compounds in decreasing order of their basicity. How will you arrange? Here plus I causing. Here carbon sp2, here carbon sp. So which is more basic? Tell me now. You can minus I of sp2 is lower than minus I of sp. So A, B, C. So answer is A greater than B greater than C. One more way to solve is here nitrogen sp3, here nitrogen sp2, here nitrogen sp. Greater the electronegativity, greater will be the capacity of that atom to hold electrons. Means stability of that donating group increases, basicity decreases. Anion we have studied like that. So here lone pair more tightly held over nitrogen because this nitrogen is sp. Here less tightly held. Less tightly held means can donate. It can donate. Less tightly held means because electronegativity less. Here electronegativity more. More tightly held means not available for donation. Not available for donation means less basic. Like that also we can solve with the help of electronegativity of nitrogen atom, or you can solve with the help of carbon also. Here plus I group there. Here sp2 carbon, sp carbon. sp carbon more electron withdrawing group because of its more electronegativity. Percentage of s character increases, electronegativity increases. So this carbon can withdraw electrons more, less basic compared to here. Like that also you can solve. Next question. Suppose if you give question CH2 double bond CH, NH2, CH3, CH2, NH2, CH3, CH double bond NH. So how can you solve this question? Tell me. Here lone pair there. This lone pair withdrawn by minus M effect of this group. Here plus I effect. So A, B, C. Here no resonance, but sp2 carbon causing minus I. So among A, B, C, which is more basic? Tell me. B, because plus I there. Then among A and C, which is more basic? C. Why? Here minus M effect operating, there only minus A operating, then A. Okay, like that I can arrange this. Tomorrow we will discuss some more examples related to basicity. Thank you.